Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use night mode on OPPO Reno 15F. So first, as you guys can see, we need to open up the camera. Now what are we going to do next is we're going to scroll to the right to see the more version. Here we can click on night. And as you guys can see, we finally got the night setting. We got the timer right here. So this is the timer of the shutter. As you guys can see, we need to keep it for 2 seconds in the same place to get a good quality picture out of the night. And as you guys can see, it is 2 seconds now. Whenever I put the phone right here, we got a second because there's more light. When I bring it up, it disappears. And when I put it right here, so I cover the entire camera, it goes to 4 seconds. So the 4 seconds here, as you guys can see, the phone has to be stable for those 4 seconds. And now it took a picture in the night. So it is not a night exactly. I am in a dark box with just the lights on, so I won't be able to actually use it. But let me quickly show you how that's supposed to work. Let me quickly take a few samples and I'll show you how it works in a dim light. So I'm done with the samples. Now this picture has been taken right now. It was on 3-second timer. It was completely dark out. There was a little bit of the light, but still it looks amazing. Now you also got this picture. This is the lamp. Now there was some light, a little bit, not too much, but the picture is very clear. You can clearly see everything that's on it, and it is also expanded. Here, this picture was taken on 2-second notice. It was almost dark out, and still you can see anything. As you guys can see, these are the pictures that I took to show you how that exactly works. But this is how it looks like, and basically the night mode is working properly. Of course, what you guys can do is tap, and now after you tap, you will be able to change the, let's say, exposure down, exposure up, and let me show you how that works. As you guys can see, now we can swipe down. It will change the entire exposure. Now this is almost maxed out, and that's basically how you guys can use the night mode. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.